Greetings to you, dear clients and subscribers. This is Ison Company. In this video, we will review the budget 2 megapixel HD surveillance camera model Ison AHD20S-CD, or this camera is part of the ready-made Ison Pro S surveillance systems. Ready-made systems are a convenient set that includes everything necessary for the operation of this surveillance camera. This includes cables with connectors, a video recorder, power supplies, and splitters, also included with a hard drive, so it's a convenient option. Once you plug it into the socket, everything will work. Camera, as I mentioned, is budget-friendly, yet it uses a Sony sensor. This means that such a surveillance camera performs better than 5-megapixel cameras that use unknown Chinese MOS sensors. Here, it features an original Sony sensor. The sensor is what is inside the camera, and is 90% responsible for the quality of the footage and the camera's durability. So let's take a look at what is included of this set. Here is the traditional marking for ease of fastening. Here is the marking for fastening. And the surveillance camera itself with the packaging box. As I mentioned, there are convenient Ison Pro S kits. They also include power supplies, splitters, and everything needed for the camera to operate. The camera is made of metal, vandal-proof, and from very good metal. It has 2 megapixels with a 2.8mm wide-angle lens, which gives it a 120-degree field of view without any distortions. The camera comes with DWDR and DNR technology, which improves image quality in poor or inadequate lighting conditions. DNR technology also reduces noise, meaning graininess, in the conditions of the same night shooting. Here is also the latest generation of Kalaya illumination up to 20 meters. The camera has a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. We are often asked to compare this camera, the Ison AHD20S-CD, with the 5-megapixel Ison 50F-CD, which one will perform better. Because this camera uses a Sony sensor, while the 50F-CD is equipped with an OmniVision, more budget-friendly sensor, but it is 5 megapixels. Which one will perform better? 5 megapixels on a cheaper sensor or 2 megapixels on a better Sony sensor? If we compare the option with the OmniVision sensor, OmniVision is also a good manufacturer of sensors in the budget segment, so it's not some terrible AliExpress product. If we compare such cameras, the Sony sensor will perform significantly better at night. During the day, 5 megapixels compared to 2 megapixels on the OmniVision sensor will show better than this model. So here you need to understand what is more important for you, daytime or nighttime shooting. Or increase your budget and get a 5 megapixel camera with a Sony sensor. For example, the Ison AHD20S-CD, the same cameras. The ready-made sets like SNG Reco Pro provide significantly better daytime and nighttime shooting than what you would get with 2 megapixels on a Sony sensor or 5 megapixels on budget OmniVision sensors. If you have any questions about these cameras, ask our managers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new videos.